hang your stuff. Mirror. TV. A bed. An armchair with the ottoman. A desk. And then we have a little fridge and a microwave. And this is the view. Look at that palm tree. So cute. View of the parking lot. This is the bathroom. Hello. They have a makeup remover wipe, soap, the bathroom. They got a shower chair, just a roll-in shower, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And a hair dryer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.